Well, hello guys, it is me, D-Real Brownie, and we're back again this week with another video. Today we're going to make a paper aeroplane, a good one, and then throw it off a building, a really tall building. Let's see how long it can fly for. I'm actually doing this after throwing it, so it does go pretty well. So first, what we've got to do is get this paper aeroplane made. We do a bit like that, fold it again in half, like so. Yeah, so like this. So we've got this nicely. Now you fold it up. Carry on to do this like that. You put this part up as well, fold it tight, then you put this part downwards, this part downwards as well, like that, like so. And then at the back I get this and fold it backwards, and then as I have this I make the wings by folding the whole thing in half and folding it like so. I mean, I've done quite a few. Problem is later going and getting them. So you fold it nice and well like that, and there we have a paper aeroplane. You do these flaps, just more decoration, but they could be for something else. It's a bit aerodynamic. Put that there, and you can do it plain, but I sometimes do a little cut here and there, not very far in, like that, so it swirls that up and down. You need to try and get your paper aeroplane as symmetric as you possibly can. So I've got mine quite a bit. I mean, I could have tried to measure the, but yeah, that's what we've got. We've got our plane here, and we're going to go. It's at the moment I've got my plane ready, and it's off. Haven't even seen it flying. Oh yeah, it's up there. I don't know if you can quite see it, but it's up there. Yeah, it's really going far away. Oh, will it hit those? Wow, impressive how long it's going for. Must be, wow. Got the second plane in position, similar to the previous one, and it's off. Flying there, quite high in the sky. Don't know if you can see that, but it's going really well as well, as there is a lot of wind. Wow, I can hardly see it, still up there. It's gone through some clouds almost. Wow, it's difficult to distinguish. It's falling a bit. Don't know if you can see that, but it's flying over there. It's really far away. It must be half a kilometer away. It's really going really well. Still going down. Will it hit that tree? So far away. I can only see it with the camera. Can't see it with my eyesight. Thanks for that. Welcome to this week's music part of the video. Today we're starting with the letter C, so all the songs begin with the letter C. I'm actually going to do today more like 10 instead of 5. That are the ones that that is the number I said I was going to do, but I just can't narrow it down, seriously. So I'm going to say Can't Stop from the Red Hot Chili Peppers, Champagne Supernova by Oasis, good old classical one, Changes by David Bowie, Come On Eileen from Dexys Midnight Runners, Could You Be Loved by Bob Marley, Castle on the Hill by Ed Sheeran, which is quite which was released about a year ago, and it's really good. Then also Cold from Maroon 5, Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol, Clocks by Coldplay. It's just the song is so amazing. The beginning, it just blows my mind. And then also Counting Stars by One Republic, which is also I don't really listen to any other One Republic songs, but that one is a really good song. Well, hope you've enjoyed it. Subscribe, comment, like, turn on notifications, and see you next week with another video. And keep working. Bye.